Hi everybody, welcome to TechDisRain Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about extracting logic into custom hook. In the last video, we didn't make use of custom hook at all, but in this video, we are going to be showing you on how to make use of custom hook, how to do custom hook. So it says the logic behind the fetch may be needed in other components and as well. So we'll turn that into a custom hook. If you watch the previous video, you understand where we are coming from. So in this aspect, we're going to create a file entirely for the use fetch. So it says move the fetch logic into a new file that will be used as custom hook. In the previous video, we used the fetch inside the custom that we created. We created a file named custom and we used fetch inside it. But in this case, it said move the fetch logic to a new file to be used as a custom hook. The file name will start with use and end with .js and may be placed in the same directory as the component. So we'll name our own use fetch.jss. Now let's go to our own example. So we'll firstly create a new file, which will be use fetch.js. So inside this, let's remove this. So inside this use fetch, we'll say import use state, comma, use effect from React. Then after that, we'll say const use fetch equals to URL. And inside this URL, we'll say const data, comma, set data equals to use state. And we'll say no. Then after that, we'll say use effect. And inside use effect, would have an arrow function, which will be fetch URL, and then we'll say dot then, this effect. Then we'll say dot then, and inside dot then, we'll say res. We want our response, and our response should be res.json. That is, it should be given in JSON format. And we'll also say dot then, inside it, we'll say data should be set data equals to data. Then we'll come here and we'll say URL. Then after that, we're going to say return data. Now we would export it. Would export this. We'll say export default use fetch. Then we are going to create a new file. So let's bring it to this we created a custom without custom, but this time it will be with custom. We'll remove all of this one here. And we'll say const data equals to use fetch. So it has been exported since we want to use it. And inside there, we'll say window view. Then after that, we'll say return. Inside this return, would have a fragment. And inside this fragment, we'll say data and data.map. And inside it would have an arrow function. Inside here, we'll say item. Then we'll have an arrow function, which will be return P. Inside this P tag, we'll say key equals to item dot ID. And there we'll say item dot title. Now let's export our custom has been exported. Now let's check our results. Oh, we don't have anything. What could have happened? Oh, I can see effective events here. We wanted to make use of use effect, not effective events. Now let's check it out. So as you can see, it has given us what we have here with the help of use fetch. So if I want to make use of this use fetch in another place now, the only thing I just need to do is to call it there. Since I have a separate file for the use fetch, that is all about it. That is, you can make use of it in other components as well. That is what custom hook is all about. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at TechieJane Academy. See you next time. Bye.